morning, everybody. Another example of what a custom engine really is. A custom built engine is something when you call someone up and order an engine and you're going to custom build it the way you would like it. Just like this gentleman shows. This happens to be one of our 350 Chevy engines, no stroker, and made 457 horsepower and 450 foot-pounds of torque, and that lower RPM range. Fantastic. We custom sprayed this whole engine red for the gentleman. It's gorgeous. This one happens to have a CVS kit on there. Look how beautiful that kit is. It'll have a belt on it. It's got a polished intake manifold. The gentleman, along with this red one, did the red Holley carburetor. Been all adjusted for him. Distributor, red cap, red wires. One fantastic motor. But this is what I mean, custom built motors. And tell me how many other people are doing what I do, sit out here, dyno the engine, and make a video and put them up for the world to see. Give me a few names so I can check them out. Peace. All right, John, got the 383 Ford Coupe engine. Happens to be one of our Chevy 350s 420 packages. The engine came out gorgeous. Custom paint job, phenomenal. All the goodies on it. Looks great, runs awesome. We're gonna fire it up and do a dyno pull. How's that, man? Fires right up, idle's beautiful. We're ready to roll.